Mm. Come on, buddies. Come on. There you go. Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. The door's right there, buddy. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, this is diabolical. Oh, my gosh. I'm so sorry, guy. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Come here, you. Oh. Mm. The secret with these, you pull them slowly, and they reduce the harm. This is the second time you guys have run into those. I need to. And it's over there somewhere now. Flying towards the moon. Let's see if the other one is okay. That must be an adult or a baby. Seems very. Can't be a baby, it's too early. Mm. I'll just have to trust the little. Find its friend.